Hi everyone, welcome to the SMT TV channel. Okay, please like and subscribe to my channel and click the bell on the right side to get a notification as and when I have the latest video. Show me some love, please like, subscribe and click the bell video. See you inside the channel. So next one we'll talk about investing in real estate, okay, or what we call REITs, real estate investment trust. Okay, so real estate investment trust is different from what we call business trust. Okay, another time we'll explain what is business trust. But let's look at what is real estate investment trust. Okay, so the idea of real estate investment trust or REITs is what we do is different investor, okay, different investor will put their money with a manager, okay, with a manager. This is the manager, okay, and this manager will actually also borrow some money to buy into investment in property. Okay, they can buy commercial property, they can buy buildings, they can buy even retail, investment property. So what they do is they have a mandate, whatever rental income they have, they come in to the real estate manager, they will only take maximum of 10%, okay? That means they are mandated 90% of the money goes back to the individual investor, okay? So the individual investor, at the end of the day, they have an effect of pulling in the money to a manager. This manager has a job of actually investing in property and getting what we call cash flow for the company. Okay, what the advantage of this is, number one, transaction cost is much lower because to buy REITs, okay, it's basically like buying a share. You can go to the exchange, you can buy the amount. Okay, and second one is also because it's a REITs, you actually know what is the dividend or what we call the DPU. Okay, that's paid to you every quarter. Sometimes they pay quarter, sometimes they pay every half a year. Okay, so actually you have a certain yield or certain percentage that's over here. Okay, you know the percentage, and because you are doing it together, it's possible that you invest in big things. You can invest in shopping centers, different commercial properties and things like that, which as an individual investor you have more difficulty investing in. Okay, but what are the disadvantage of this? Is number one, you have to pay this manager. Okay, and usually REITs you don't really leverage so much. Okay, you don't have the effect of borrowing money from the bank to actually invest in REITs unless you use what we call a margin account from a broker that allow you to leverage up. But generally, they don't use leverage. Okay, so that's a disadvantage of investing in REITs. Okay, so yeah, this was the conclusion. Okay, of whether to invest in REITs or to invest in real estate. I would say it's like that. If you are new, okay, you have limited capital, then maybe you can consider investing in some good REITs. Okay, these good REITs, maybe in the next video I can talk about how to look at what is considered a good REIT. Okay, what are the things to look at, what are the metrics to look at when you're looking at REITs. Okay, I can talk about it in the next video. But I'll say that if your capital are limited, investing in REITs may be something that you look at because immediately you become like a mini landlord. Okay, and you can collect money through investing in REITs. Okay, and the transaction cost is lower. But let's say example, you have you want to actually look into investing bigger amount, you want to look into using leverage from a bank, then investing in real estate itself is a better solution. Okay, so I hope this video helped you. See you in the next video. So if you don't want to miss another one of our trading video, remember to ring that bell.